Broken gates, car thefts, increased crime. Residents at a downtown Denver apartment complex have continuously reached out to contact Denver 7 about these ongoing problems. Now, since our story ran last week, Denver 7's Bayon Wang has learned the problem isn't just contained to one complex.
Yeah, the gates being broken is definitely a problem for sure.
At the Lugano at Cherry Creek Apartments in Denver, some residents say the problem is constant.
They break down quite often.
In some cases, residents say gates remain open for weeks at a time and that car thefts and break-ins are part of the normal there.
They came in and basically looked through my car, left everything open. They took like a pair of sunglasses.
Everything in my glove box was stolen. My music CDs were stolen.
Similar experiences were shared by residents at other apartment complexes. The 2020 Lawrence apartment garage gate has had a giant gash in it for months, only attached by zip ties. The garage gate at City Gate Apartments in Denver has also been broken and wide open for months.
Our cars are all getting broken into all the time.
The gate at the Mark at Ridge Gate Apartments in Lone Tree has been wide open for more than a month. All of these complexes say supply chain issues have delayed the process to fix the gates. Question is, how long does that excuse hold water? So we asked an attorney.
If it goes to really a safety issue or a danger issue, a tenant could definitely make an argument that due to this broken gate, there's a significant amount of crime, I could be subject to it. They can make an argument in this area of law.
But it can get tricky, according to Deborah Wilson, an attorney who represents landlords. She says most properties are not liable, saying in part, typically there's something in a lease that says we are not responsible for your contents. When apartments could be liable would be if they promised it was a secure building or we promised the gates are always working, which landlords don't do.
But the landlord has a reasonable amount of time to try to fix the underlying issue.
Landlords are typically allowed a reasonable amount of time to make repairs.
The landlord certainly has an argument of saying, we're doing the best I can. The question arises, is the best you can good enough? And is it really the best you can do?
In some cases, tenants can end their lease without penalty in these situations. Both attorneys agree, read every word in your lease agreement to avoid these kind of surprises. Bayon Wang, Denver 7.
And we only learn of these stories because of tips sent in by you. So you can contact Denver 7 by calling the number on your screen or email contact7@thedenverchannel.com.